Is it safe to use WhatsApp?
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is not going to be a lecture, but we are going to talk about the WhatsApp new privacy policy. Alright, so without talking too much, let's go directly to WhatsApp privacy policies. Alright, I'm on their website already, and here it's written WhatsApp legal info, and as you guys can read, delivered message aren't stored by us. So this is the main point. WhatsApp is not going to use our messages because our messages are encrypted. So you guys don't need to be afraid. Alright, so how can you be so sure about this? Alright, let's scroll down. And as you can see, it's written here. Retain your messages ordinary course of providing our services to you. Instead, your messages are stored on your device and not typically stored on our servers. And they clearly mention again, once your messages are delivered, they're deleted from our servers. So that means that the messages are going to be deleted from their servers. So actually, you don't need to be afraid. Again, I'm saying this. And they are again putting even a scenario explaining how it's going to work. For example, if the recipient is offline, so if you're texting a girl, and if the girl is offline for around 30 days, so they mention here for 30 days, they're going to delete from their servers. So we keep it encrypted from our servers for up to 30 days as we try to deliver it. If a message is still undelivered after 30 days, we delete it. So they're going to delete. And media forwarding. When you use forwards media within a message, we store that media temporarily. So it's going to be a temporary for few days, and that's also encrypted so that no one can read. And if you guys don't know what is encrypted and about encrypting message, you just can click on the right top corner and go to my other video where I'm explaining what is encrypted. What data will WhatsApp share with Facebook? WhatsApp will share your phone number, service related information, mobile device information, and your IP address. Now, with the new privacy policy update, it will also start collecting more information at the device hardware level. These are some most asked questions from users who are already using WhatsApp, and I'm going to give one answer to each question one by one. Question number one: what happens if you don't accept WhatsApp privacy policies? If you do not accept these policies, you will not be able to use the app. If you say in simple words, your account will get deleted from WhatsApp. And so users who wish to use the app after February 8, 2021 will have to agree to the new terms and privacy policies. Question number two: is WhatsApp storing my messages? So as we already said before, WhatsApp will not store your text messages and other media files, even on its own servers. So they're only stored offline on your own device. So for this, you don't need to be afraid. If you really do backup, then only it gets stored. But even then, it gets stored on a third-party application like Google Drive or else iCloud. So this third-party application stores in their servers encrypted messages. And so actually, you don't need to be afraid to do a backup because it's encrypted, even though it's get uploaded on Google Drive. And if you're really not sure about this, just don't do backup. Question number three: does WhatsApp now share my messages with Facebook? No. As we said before and we kept repeating, the messages are encrypted. So no third-party application will never be able to read. And so Facebook will never be able to read our messages. Question number four: will WhatsApp record and track my audio and video calls? No. And I need to say the same answer again and again. The video calls and even the voice calls are everything encrypted. So no one is able to read these things. This means that the calls stay between the parties involved in the calls and nobody else, including WhatsApp. Question number five: does WhatsApp now own the content, media files that I shared on the app? The answer is simply no, because as we said before, it's end-to-end encrypted. So just like the text messages and everything you have shared, it's unreadable. So even WhatsApp was not able to read the content and media files that you have shared. Question number 6. Will WhatsApp show ads? Well, an answer to this question I'm not able to give currently, but I think that at the moment they will not show any ads. Still, they didn't mention anything like that, so I don't think that they will show any kind of ads. But maybe in the future they will. I'm not sure about this. As a conclusion, should you still use WhatsApp? Why not? For me, it's not a big problem because actually, if no one reads my messages, then no problem at all. Because messages are end-to-end encrypted and no one, even third-party applications, will ever be able to read these messages. So for me, it's not a big problem. I don't know about you guys. Everyone has their own opinion, and maybe you guys will stop using and will switch to another application. So let me know in the comment section if you guys will keep using WhatsApp or else if you're planning to switch to another application. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and here's everything for today, and see you in the next video.